Let's work the second problem here, guys. We know that to find the nth term of maybe we have a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, that is the formula we're using, right? So let's write the formula here. That is Tn is given as a plus n minus 1 into d. Now the trick is very simple. What you should know here is these four things. You should know what is Tn, what is a, what is n, and what is d. If you know these three of these guys, you can find the fourth one. Anything missing can be found. Now what he says is, he says find the first 5 terms of the following arithmetic progression, right? Where a is given to me, d is given to me, in the sense out of these 4 guys, a is like 2 given to me and d is like 2.5 given to me, and he says the first term means n is 1, right? So we're looking for what? T1. So that is missing. So can I find T1? Very simple. So that goes like T1 is like a2 plus 1 minus 1 into d is like 2.5. So that's how it is. Like 2 plus 1 minus 1 is 0 into 2.5. That goes like 2. So we got T1, right? Very simple. Now to find T2, look at that. To find T2, I need again all these 4 sets. It means what is T2? I don't know. What is a? That's given to me again 2. Now n is a second term. We're talking about second term, so n becomes 2. Common difference is 2.5 itself. Can I find T2? Very simple. So T2 is given as a plus n minus 1 into d, and what is a is 2 plus n is 2 this time minus 1 into 2.5. That is 2 plus, I can write 1 times 2.5, which goes like 2 plus 2.5 is like 4.5. I got T2 also. Good enough. So let's go with T3. To find T3, all right, we need to know a, what is n, and what is d. So what is a is the same thing, all right. A is 2, n becomes 3 now because I'm talking about the third term. All right, d is anyway same, that is 2.5. Can I find this guy? Yes, the same formula works. T3 is like a plus n minus 1 into d. All right, I'm looking for T3, right? So Tn is basically here, all right, Tn. T3 means n becomes 3. A is 2 plus 3 minus 1 into 2.5. So what do you have here? 2 plus, I can write 2 times 2.5. Okay, that's 2 plus 5, that is 7. We got T3 also. So in this guy, to find the 5 terms, I got T1 to be 2, T2 to be like 4.5, T3 is like 7, right? We have so much. So let's go with the next things. Next set basically, I'm looking for T4, right? I'm looking for T4. A is same thing, that is 2, D is 2.5, and since I'm talking the 4th term, n is nothing but 4. Very simple. Can I work in it? Yes. So I can write like T4 is like a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so how do you work in this guy? Can I write a is the same thing, 2 plus this 4 minus 1 times 2.5. So that goes like how much? That's 2 plus 3 times 2.5, which is like 2 plus 7.5, which is like 9.5. That is T4. We can find the last term the same way. But now look at this. Can we also use these set of formulas? All right, possible. This is one of the ways of using the formula, right? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Otherwise, I can write T1 to be a, okay, and T2 is like a plus d, and T3 is like a plus 2d, and T4 is like a plus 3d, and T5 is like a plus 4d. These are the set of formulas. You can find any term using this also, but starting from a. Okay, so now what is a given to me? So T1 is directly a, which is nothing but 2. I'm talking the first problem. Okay, this problem will come back later. Okay, the first problem itself. We are doing it in the second method. All right, T1 is 2. What is T2 then? T2 is like 2 plus d, that is 2.5, which is 4.5. Directly we can write. Good enough. What is T3? T3 is like 2 plus 2 times 2.5, which is like 2 plus 5, which is like 7. Got it? So we can also write T4 is like 2 plus 3 times d. So 3 times 2.5 is like 2 plus 7.5 is like 9.5. Got it? All right, so what next? T5 is simply like 2 plus 4 times D, right? That is 2.5. Was like 2 plus 10, which is 12. So that's how it works. Either you can use this, all right, but you have to start from A and the next term, the next term, the next term. If you have to find something in between, that formula is more convenient, all right? So that's the whole point. It's very easy.